Creating cinematic, high-fidelity videos from text used to require a massive budget and a whole production team. Now, there is a tool that not only generates photorealistic video, but creates the sound effects to match it, and you can use it for free. Today, we are diving into the VO video generator. Welcome back to Tech for Boost. If you are building your digital workflow, you need tools that save you time and deliver premium quality without the crazy subscription fees. VO stands out because it doesn't just animate an image. It understands physical motion and audio cues. Let me show you how to use this to completely upgrade your content. I recommend you to use Advanced Editor to adjust your video generation. Now, I will paste a video prompt to generate AI-free video. Before generate video, there's video generation setting. Tools like VO are completely changing how we produce content. It gives you the power of a full studio right from your browser. If this guide helped you speed up your creative workflow, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are all about maximizing your digital efficiency here at Tech for Boost. See you in the next one.